If you asked 500 people trying to lose weight, what are the best tools and tips that have helped them make the most progress? What do you think they would say? Well, over the last 6 months, I've worked with my community to develop the best weight loss product possible using the popular free app Notion. I've been able to combine targets, progress tracking, diet, fitness, and mental health into one integrated app that has no subscription fee, so it will literally last until you achieve your weight loss goal. Let's start with targets. Targets are important as they allow you to break down a large weight loss goal into smaller weekly chunks. So when I input my overall weight goal, my weekly weight loss target is automatically updated when I make progress. I will also start to see all my progress stats on how much weight and fat I've lost so far. People have also asked for more ways to track their progress, so we've added a progress picture gallery and body measurements table. More ways to track equals more ways to win. Let's talk about diet, which is probably the most important area of weight loss. Using your weight loss target, the tracker works out what daily calories you need to achieve that target. Now, you have your daily calorie and deficit amount. You can start creating meals and a meal plan using the library of added ingredients. Your total calories and macro amounts are automatically calculated, which makes it much easier for you to stick to that calorie target throughout the week. There's also a daily calendar where you can input your meals or manually add calories, and you'll get a warning if you're above your calorie target. Let's move on to fitness. The best way to increase your fitness and accelerate weight loss is to find a workout routine you enjoy doing. The tracker makes it easier to achieve this by providing you with over 40 workouts across different muscle groups, activities, difficulties, and duration. And due to loads of feedback, I've also added a mobile optimized view, so it's easier to access and complete your workouts from the Notion mobile app. Weight loss is challenging, so you shouldn't just monitor your physical health. You should also keep track of your mental health. That's why we've added ways to track your energy and mood. You can also customize and write down a journal entry each day. All the features and tools I've talked about are designed to accelerate weight loss and increase your chance of long-term success. It's already my most loved product with tons of great feedback and success stories. Follow the link in the description to download it now. Thanks for watching.